Assalamu alaikum viewers, you are watching Public Views TV channel and I'm here in London at Royal Nawab Hotel. This evening, this reception has been hosted by Sahibzada Jahangir and Anil Masarat in the honor of Chaudhry Mohammad Sarwar, who is the Governor of Punjab, Pakistan. As you can see behind my background, there are lots of Pakistani community here, businessmen here, politicians here, senior journalists here, and we can see there are Mayor of London's here as well from different communities. And we're gonna see they're gonna talk about different issues, how the Pakistan has covered from the post-pandemic situation, and we're gonna listen to the Governor Chaudhry Mohammad Sarwar as well in very little time. I'm here with Sahibzada Jahangir and I'm going to talk with him about this beautiful evening arranged for all the overseas Pakistani community in the honor of Chaudhry Mohammad Sarwar, Governor Punjab. Sir, what do you have to say about this beautiful evening? We can see you are behind. That's a great effort by you that you bring everyone together.
You see, the idea was that the governor was visiting in England, and I thought it would be a good opportunity if he can meet the PTI workers, PTI officials, and also the members of the Pakistan community.
Right.
So people from all walks of life are gathering here.
Yeah, we can see there are lots of journalists, business community, mayors of London, and such a great effort by you.
I wouldn't say it's a great effort by me. We all have to make effort.
Yeah.
And this is for the love of Imran Khan.
Yeah.
We are all gathered here because Governor is representing Imran Khan. I'm representing Imran Khan. And it is Imran Khan lovers who are standing and coming here.
And Pakistani community, they are very excited about getting overseas voting rights as well. And what do you have to say about voting rights?
Again, a great achievement for the overseas Pakistanis. One of the promises that Imran Khan has fulfilled, that he was always committed to getting the overseas to vote. Huge achievement. And I'm sure there are more better things which will come in the future for the overseas Pakistanis.
And now I'm with Rizwan Sularia, who is the chairman of IBPCC, and I'm going to talk with him about this beautiful evening among all the Pakistani communities.
Well, what I can say is a wonderful event, and on the other hand, a lot of dignitaries and the people from all walks of the life, they are here today. And we are here to see, obviously, the Governor Punjab, and we'll discuss, obviously, the issues of the overseas Pakistanis and as well as their performances up till now. Obviously, there are some issues with the government at the moment, but we believe that there should be something better going to happen in future. That's why we are here today to discuss a lot of issues, and inshallah, you will see that future of the Pakistan would be very bright, and being overseas Pakistani, I'm quite hopeful for that.
I'm here with Tosif Anwar, who is the mayor of Lewisham in London, and I'm going to talk with him about this evening. Sir, what do you have to say about this evening in the honor of Chaudhry Mohammad Sarwar, Governor Punjab?
It's fantastic to be here and see so many people around. First of all, I would say that's maybe some of the last opportunities before Christmas, before we can see, because there may be another lockdown, and we are seeing the community. And yeah, I can see a lot of people want to hear what has been happening in Pakistan and what this so-called Naya Pakistan is going to deliver. Yeah. And we are all keen to hear from Governor Sarwar, so what he thinks, where we are in progress, because some of us cannot actually follow Pakistani politics all the time, but at least it's good to hear from Pakistani politician and position holder what they are doing.
I'm going to talk with Asim Yusuf, who is the General Secretary of IBPCC and General Secretary, and we're going to talk to him about this current evening. And what do you have to say, sir, about this evening?
Thank you very much for having me here. Basically, we're here to, welcome Governor Punjab. As you know, he's here. So, and all the PTI leadership is here. So we just came here to welcome him. Obviously, he's a renowned businessman, and obviously, he's a renowned politician from Pakistan. So we came here to say hello to him. And as you can see, all the business community, all the communities gathered here to welcome him. So we just congratulate him to his visit in London, and we look forward to see him in Pakistan.
Chaudhry Mohammad Nawaz, who is a senior PTI leadership from Manchester, representing Pakistani community, and I'm going to talk with him about this evening. Sir, what do you have to say about this evening in the honor of Chaudhry Mohammad Sarwar?
That event should be explained about the Pakistan and what did Imran Khan did in Pakistan.
Yeah.
via healthcare card and via police reforms and all the overseas rights and the overseas voting right especially. So we are coming to support and thank you to Governor Sarwar Sahab for that reasons.
Viewers, as you've seen, all the overseast community, especially Pakistani, they are very, very thankful to PTI leadership for giving them the voting rights whilst living in the United Kingdom.